लोग जुड़े हैं हमसे?
सर अभी तक कोई नहीं
जुड़ता है कि नहीं जुड़ता है? देखो तो सुटुंगा कौन है? इलिजा को पढ़िছিলি নাই তই? ओ सुटुंगा আজি তো পরীক্ষা পাস নে ফেল? लॉन्ग के साथ कितना मार्क मिलेगा आपको? अग्रहणी आज का जो परीक्षा हुआ है इसमें आप खुद को कितना नंबर देगा? 10 के भीतर? हाँ 0 देगा। हम ऐसा करते हैं, क्लास करते हैं, हम लोगों को बोलते हैं आप खुद ही नंबर दे दो कितना देगा, वो लोग खुद ही नंबर देते हैं, वो आप रिकॉर्ड में रखते हैं। ये जो लेबू भाई के पास क्लास हुआ परीक्षा लिया 10 का अंदर, तो लेबू भाई को खुद ही करने के लिए देते हैं, लेबू भाई आज इतना आपको परीक्षा हुआ है, इसमें आप न्यूट्रल होकर सोच के आपको खुद कितना नंबर देगा? तो लेबू भाई दे देते हैं 10 के ऊपर पास, कोई आप जो दिया हुआ है, कभी कभी लोग 0 भी देते हैं, जैसे आपने खुद को 0 दिया है, वो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन
एसएमसी थी जो शायद विकास की।
विकास भाई को हमें जब से प्यार भरा नमस्कार। और जीएमसी कोड पर
सर जी
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
विकास भाई আমার ঢুটিমণি ভাই কামা গিয়া है
আহি আছে স্যার, সবে কানেক্ট কৰি আছে স্যার।
আরে ক আৰু আমাৰ তেজপুৰ এএমসি কিটাৰ লগত চিনাকি আছে নাই? विकास ओ विकास एएमसी किटा बाथरूम एटे किटा सुविधा केनी पड़े Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Last class of apni nahila ami beya palu.
Sir, ina shifting hoye asile sir.
Baro. Ami kotha pati asu. ठीक है सर, we'll talk something about the Elijah today. So last class we have discussed something about the external fixator. So external fixator, then let us explain.
अपना मोबाइल से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं लेकिन ये
क्लास करबी ने एटिया अटेंड करबी जो बुझा दे क्या करना है कष्ट है हां So okay, we'll talk about something about the Elijah rock. So we had a discussion in last class regarding your external fixator. There we have discussed the basic principle of external fixator, the size of the pinch is supposed to use, how to use it, what should be the number, and how to take care. What is the rule of a universal clamp? Why it is named as universal one? Also the importance of tubular rod, so many things. So biomechanical part, application part, all things we have discussed particularly on external fixator. उसका बारे में तो चर्चा हो गया, उसको हम तो और आगे नहीं जाएंगे। जितनी कार दायित्व So today we will be talking something basic principle of Elijah rock. Determining Elijah rock,
who had discovered Elizarov? Who have discovered Elizarov? Did you know what I Tumar Bondu Kun?
Sir, Dhruva Pujari, sir.
Dhruva Pujari is Namaskar.
Sir, sir, your घर विश्वनाथ चारियाली sir.
Huh?
Sir, your घर विश्वनाथ चारियाली sir.
Oh, Bisasali move also dekho. Huh? Move go to Bisasali uswate hai, yama go uswate dekho. Ye imagine amar logo যোগাযোগ করা নাই কেলে? হয় ইমান দিনে ই আমাৰ লগত যোগাযোগ কি কাৰণে হা
Sir, duty sir.
হা
Isolation duty sir.
So let us go a little bit about the history part. Something about the history is also important to know. So this is entirely a new concept. Concept principle. आवाज तो बेसी है और बंद करे तो कौन तो पाएगा
आप अपना वीडियो दे दो
बंद करे से तो कॉमेंट्स ना हो टेंशन चलते का काम नहीं अच्छा so since the whole concept has generated or came to the mind of one great person's photograph is here, Gabriel A. Elizarov, who born in the year 1921, expired in 1992, and also he has visited India also. He visited in the later part of his life, particularly, hopefully he 1991 he has visited India and also conducted a workshop, most probably in Ludhiana or in somewhere in North India. So the great persons you're supposed to know because he had given a very new concept, the concept of distraction osteogenesis. The whole concept is revolving on distraction osteogenesis. The principle is that means in physiological limit, if you do distraction, the structure get elongated with all the physiological characteristics. This point was never thought, but the point of elongation was also afforded earlier also. But the basic mechanism, application of the technique, and the science behind it, Elizarov who has raised all these points here. And you know, he is from Russia, and his workplace is in Siberia. Particularly, the concept of genesis took place just after the World War II. The later part of the World War is over. Huh? That's the sound of coordination. Mute coordination. In particularly around 1950, the later part of the Second World War, he was posted in Siberia, remote place, and without basic knowledge of orthopedics. Important thing. Without basic knowledge of orthopedics, he was posted in Siberia, where he was supposed to work. Particularly, the patients come with a lot of deformities after war. So World War के बाद बहुत सारे लोगों को fracture हुआ. There are a lot of fractures were there, lot of non-union, lot of deformities. So many patients were there around Siberia, and he, without basic knowledge of orthopedics, was posted over there to deal with the situations. It was the situations without any knowledge. It was the situations without basic armamentarium or the basic orthopedics, without any basic instruments, other things. Only the role was Gabriel was posted over there. So while these patients came in with lot of deformities, infections, non-union, then this all he started down on cycle spokes. So bicycle spokes. The spokes of the bicycle that axis, they are maintaining it. The whole concept was Genesis was taken from this here because he didn't have much armamentarium how to devise his own way. Then he studied their applications there in the human being, initially dog, then human being he tried. He found good result, and it was nobody has realized this important until and unless one of the very famous Olympic person, Olympic high jumper, Brunel from Russia, who had an injury following road traffic accident and had undergone many operations in Moscow, but failed to have a union, finally landed up Kurgaon. This is called Kurgaon, where he was operated, all deformity corrected, limb achieved, and he could able to join Olympic. That was the first boosting for the Ilizarov, that his existence was felt in the Russia. But it was confining to Russia until and unless he was introduced to Western countries, particularly by Italian. Again, another famous person from Italy, who was the expedition, Mario. So he actually had again a problem with tibia non-union, infected, deformity. Then finally, with the advice of a person, he has landed up there Kurgaon, and he again has operated, united, and well, everything was corrected. So that is another boost to for the Western vision. First to Russia, then the Western. So in the West, it is the Italian surgeons who has introduced this concept to Europe. And subsequently, you must salute to another person who has introduced the whole concept to the world as well as America, Doror Pele. You must have learned a lot of things there in Doror Pele's concept, particularly in pseudoarthrosis, false joint, G-joint formations. So many new concepts he has introduced, and it is you must salute that Doror Pele with his company has started this journey of introducing this concept with some sort of modification, in America, in all over. He has conducted many workshops there in the Europe, then also the Middle East, then also Africa, even many times to India and rest of the world. So rest of the world is being introduced to this concept mainly by Doror Pele. So it is genesis from the Kurgaon to Italy, to Europe, to America, to whole world. Today, it is being considered one of the greatest inventions in this century. That this the whole world, the heart, what is called the heart of this concept is your distraction osteogenesis. The distraction osteogenesis mean to us is that the in physiological limit, if you distract the structures, it get elongated. It is not the elongations only the bone, but the elongations of the surrounding structure as well. This implies these muscles, the tendon, the nerve, the vessels, the skin, so many soft tissues. Now, all these soft tissues also behave normal in later part. So that is the marvelous of this thing which is being realized and being understood later on, that these elongated structures also essentially having a normal your behavior. So that is why it is being widely accepted. There is lot of pros and cons, lot of things are there. We all will okay talk, we'll but basic principle is try to understand what is actually heart, what is called heart of the Elijah is called distraction osteogenesis. The concept is that you do the osteotomy or corticotomy. So we will also take one by one point that is bone को दीजिए तो. So the marker pen कहाँ है? Marker pen नहीं marker भी दे एक बार class है ना marker pen कहाँ है? So in distraction osteogenesis, particularly it is said that let us talk something about this. Yeah. So there are so many uses of your Elijah, and a few things I must tell you before going to the subject and how to deal in your future course. Few things I must tell you before going to the subject proper. That this Elijah technique is not suitable for conventional orthopedic problems. Keep it in your mind. Keep in your mind that is this at the problems of orthopedics, the orthopedics solution problems. Conventional orthopedic problem should to be addressed by the conventional established procedures. These are not meant for Elijah. And once you venture in this, probably you will end up with a lot of controversy. So this is one. That means this Elijah is not for all. It is only in selective cases. Many a time where the conventional technique fails, it is Elijah who is pick up. So do not try to address since you are expert in doing Elijah, you should not do right and left Elijah those patients where the conventional surgeries gives good result. So it is to be clear to your mind that is not for the only conventional operative procedures. Where the conventional established procedures gives good result, should not be addressed by Elijah. It is your mind, and is always true and keep in your mind in your whole life. Yes, those conditions where it cannot be addressed by the conventional operative treatment, yes, that's a different thing. Where you need to go for this Elijah, like deformities corrections, like your infected non-unions, like shortenings. So many problems are there which are not suitable to be treated by the conventional orthopedic treatments. Yes, there the role of Elijah is. That is why the surgeon does, as has told you earlier also, those who do not learn from the mistakes of the history is condemned to repeat the same mistake. So do not be injudicious in using these techniques in futures. You are expert. After having yours, you will be the master of all these things. You have so many armamentarium in front of you. But selections of these cases, selections of these techniques entirely depends upon your capability. This is individual choice many times, but it should be justified. And justifications lies here, the selections of techniques. As I told you earlier also, in external fixators, that many times it was blamed as a non-union maker. Non-union maker. Once it was blamed as a non-union, that means wherever you apply external fixator, it will go for non-union. That was the concept. So it has earned such a bad repute at a time because of the injudicious use of these techniques, and the blame as a noun as called non-union maker. So that is actually you have to learn from the history that you should be judicious in using the technique and with logic. Okay, that is one point, and that is your main issue, and we have also discussed. Yes, before that, okay, first thing, the introduction of the various components to this is important to you. The basic principles, as I told you, that the distraction osteogenesis, this is basic principle. In the distraction osteogenesis, since you are talking about this, so I also would like to add you certain things there. That is, what is the limit of this distraction? We'll talk this thing later on also, but since this point is coming up, it is said 1 millimeter a day. So if you want to do distraction, it should not cross 1 millimeter a day. And studies says that if you able to do this thing in fraction, is better. That means if you divide this 1 millimeter into 4 halves, 6-hour interval, 1/4 of a ring, that will be more judicious than that of a 1 millimeter one go. That is one point. So not beyond this 1 millimeter. Number 2 is this called your 1 millimeter per day fraction is better. That is one. Number 2 is your that when to start this, because latency period. Latency period is a part that after doing osteotomy, you supposed to start after some time. It is a bit variable. In certain cases, it may need to start from 4 days. In certain cases, you have to wait for some days, depending upon the condition. But on an average, it is usually 1 to 10 days, 7 to 10 days. On an average, 7 days. So you start doing so after doing the osteotomy. Number 3 point is this osteotomy and corticotomy. These two words are different. It should be clear to your mind that what is osteotomy and what is corticotomy. The fracture made by the surgeon is called osteotomy, means we are cutting the bone. But here, what is more important that we try to preserve the periosteum. We try to preserve the periosteum and if possible endosteum also. If possible endosteum. So throw and throw dissection is not ideal. And you sometimes have a very special type of osteotome which is not available with us. We have been lacking this instrument today. Even then I'll try to tell you specific instruction. But basic principle you try to understand that we do not want to violate the periosteum. Periosteum should be intact. Supposing in this case, if you want to do a osteotomy here, what we are going to do, that we incise this area, then strip the periosteum. Then underneath the periosteum you have to cut. And you have a very special type of osteotome so as to cut the corticotomy. And this part is a bit difficult to do, where you need to sometimes do rotational movement so as to do contact. ঠিক আছে? So osteotomy different, corticotomy different. Corticotomy is less traumatic. Osteotomy, as you know, is a traumatic one. You have to cut along with the periosteum. And here, preservation of this periosteum, if possible, endosteum is also very important. Kaustav Hazarika, good morning and welcome. Achha, that is your basic thing. Now, what is osteotomy? What is corticotomy? It should be clear in your mind that the corticotomy is less traumatic, osteotomy is traumatic. So you are concerning about the corticotomy, not osteotomy. Number 1 point. Number 2, location. Most of the time, the location is more metaphyseal area, but it is said that you equally do in the diaphyseal also. You can do in the diaphyseal also. The locations also dependent upon the size. The behavior is almost same with that of the diaphyseal depending upon need. Sometimes people may do osteotomy in different places too. By 2 seconds. So supposing a condition here where you have a very long segment bone is lost. In a situation like this, we can do things together. Means your elongation from this point towards this side. Supposing you have a very big segment is lost. Very big segment is lost. And you know that you can only go for 1 millimeter per day. It will take a long time. It will take a long time. So in these situations, you can take the advantage of doing the osteotomy distally, doing the osteotomy proximally, do the two things simultaneously, so as to have a accelerated union time. Is it clear to all? So that is one. So one can have 1 millimeter from this side, one can have 1 millimeter. You cannot go beyond 1 millimeter per day. Because these are actually I am talking about the various principles. Finally, that is one point. That is then also you have to look for the behavior of this osteotomy site. How this behaving periodical X-ray is important to look for whether the cylindrical bone formation is taking place or not. It may be in various stages. Sometimes you may find the behavior of the formation. The osteotomy cylinder will be there. So you have the periosteum intact, then it is elongated, then there is laying of the bone there beneath the periosteum in a cylindrical way. That is the right thing. We are expecting it. Initially may not be perceived with the X-ray, but ultrasound may sometimes help you to know the behavior. And you have to periodically look for it to see the behavior and may sense the rupture or the speed of your doing elongations sometime in between. So 1 millimeter per day is logical. Better to go in fraction. Better to go in fraction means 4 times a day, when 1/4 of a ring. Better. Okay? But you have to periodically look for the behavior at the osteotomy, corticotomy site, how the bone formation is taking place. If it is taking place, well and good. If it is not taking place, you may change it. Change the speed of your distraction technique periodically. Sometimes there is rapid formation of the bone. Sometimes it is delay formation of the bone. Sometimes some changes may take place. So alternatively, you have to behave accordingly. But as a whole, normally it is 1 millimeter per day and 4 times fractions is better. Long segment, you can go for this. Another term, see, in a situations here, again, one can think another thing also, that can you think of doing this epoch? Supposing a person is coming to you with a middle part of your bone is lost in a trauma situation. So what you can do, you can approximate this movement together at a time and do the osteotomy also. If I am talking two things. I am talking that in this scenario, you have a loss of the bone. I said that one can do the osteotomy here to do it. I again said that you can do osteotomy here also, simultaneously you can do it. Or another thing you can do also, that you can approximate the movement together and start the elongation as well. What is the advantage? Advantage is there, here the approximations will help you to union the bone. On the other hand, if you do elongations here simultaneously, a time will come, this fragment will approximate. But after approximation, it will take lot of time to union. समझ में है कि नहीं बात? नहीं समझा? हाँ, बताते हैं. द्वितीय मने কথাটো বুঝি পালানে মই কি কলো? পয়সা না নাই পোৱা?
Sir, পিছৰ ফালে পোৱা নাই sir.
নাই পোৱা. কৌস্তভ. ও কৌস্তভ.
Yes sir.
নাই পোৱা নে পাইছা? এটা মই কৌস্তভ হাজৰিকা নমস্কাৰ. डेनियल भाई को हमारी तरफ से प्यार भरा नमस्कार. ठीक है? कौस्तभ শুনিছেন নাই?
Yes sir, শুনিছো sir.
Very good. শুনক এতিয়া মই আকৌ কৈছো এটা কথা. I am talking that the person is coming to you with a loss of your segment here, middle part. Yes, sir? So you need to fill up this part with Elizabeth technique. What are the options with you? One option, we are fixing this whole bone and do a osteotomy here in the upper end and do gradual approximation of the bone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, that can be done. I again said that to have this thing, we can do another osteotomy here and do the thing simultaneously both the ends. Is it possible? Not possible. It is also possible. Yes, we can. Aji Khodagar to code ghar. Khodagar. Ki nahi je? Koi nahi. That is no. Approximation can be done. So thereby you can do the simultaneous approximation of the bone. Thereby you can have shorter period of elongation. Yes or no? Third point. Again, that in a situation like this, what you can do? You can approximate these two things together at the time of operation. Yes, can you do? That will essentially make this thing short. And simultaneously you are doing the elongation also. So in this situation, what is the advantage? Advantage is that you could able to approximate these two ends together, so the union process will start early and elongation process also simultaneously go on. Can it possible?
Yes, sir.
বুঝি পারান নাই নহলে
No, sir.
এই বগমেন্টটো গৈ ইয়াত পাব এফালৰটো ইয়াত পাব এটা সময়ত লগ হ'ব লগ হলে এই পাৰ্টটো জয়েন হ'বলৈ আৰু বহুত দিন লাগিব তাকে নকৰি যদি আমি আগে লগ লগাই দিলো লিম্বটো শৰ্ট হৈ গল limb will be short but elongation process will continue. Hereby, what is the advantage? Advantage is there that you can have this approximation, so the union process of the fracture will continue. Simultaneously, you can also have. On the other hand, if you do approximate both the end, at a time it will approximate. But after approximation, again it will lot of time to have a union. So you can do. You got my point? Daniel,
Yes, sir.
डेनियल भाई आपको समझ में आया कि नहीं डेनियल भाई आपको समझ में आया कि नहीं
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ चलो समझते हैं कोस्ता भाभी
Sir, if we
हाँ
sir if we approximate
हाँ दे राजदीप खुदा की खुदी बात क्या
sir if we approximate the bone then we have to do corticotomy or not?
अरे definitely if you are see practical point I say that there is a loss of this here middle part I say this part is lost necessarily it is not so you have to do the osteotomy here elongate it I had three options here one can do the osteotomy here gradually elongate it it will cover time and elongation will take place approximation will be there yes or no yes I again say that one can do the osteotomy distally also so simultaneously you can do the elongation here elongation this side this will also come together and this will also yes or no thereby you can shorten this period yes or no every day you will get 2 mm here every day you will get 1 mm here every day you will be getting 2 yes or no okay fine that means after that what will happen this fragment will come together at a time they will approximate here yes or no
Yes, sir.
yes okay
Sir.
after approximation what will happen it will go for union so it
Yes,
will
sir.
take lot of time to unite yes or no
Yes, sir.
yes sir but I tell you another thing that so that in the first operation if you bring this fragment here and if you bring this fragment here together, This fragment will be in contact.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But
sir.
essentially it will be short.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then also you can do the elongation together, have the length. But advantage is what? That since you could able to approximate this thing together, the union process will start early.
Yes, sir.
On the other hand,
Okay,
if
sir.
you do the elongation also at a time, it will come here, but it will take a lot of time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the point. This is what procedure is called talking. This what I am approximating this together at a time of operation, first operation is called acute docking. This word is known as acute docking. You are docking, but there is a limitation. This is called acute docking. Kostop GMC কথাটো বুজি পাইছা নাই?
Sir, পাইছো sir. Sir, approximate যেটা কৰিম sir. Hello.
কওক।
Sir, approximate কৰাৰ লগত sir আমি বনটো ফিক্সও কৰি দিব পাৰিম নেকি sir? মানে
এইটো
অপচন আছে।
নাই বনটো এইটো পাৰ্টত।
এইটো পাৰ্টত approximate কৰি বন ফিক্স কৰি
কয়া পাৰে। আপুনি বন ফিক্স নকৰিলেও কৰিলেও এইটো ৰিং লগাম নহয় আমি চাৰিফালে। ৰিংটোতো আছে আৰু আমাৰ গোটেই প্ৰিন্সিপলটো ৰিঙৰ ওপৰতে চলিব। মই এটা ক্ৰিটিকেল প্ৰব্লেমৰ কথাই কৈছো, কিন্তু ইয়াৰ চাৰিফালে ৰিং থাকিবতো। ষ্টেবিলাইজ কৰিব। এতিয়া এই ষ্টেবিলাইজেশ্যন কৰোঁতে ইয়াত এডিশ্যনেল ষ্টেবিলাইজাৰ সাধাৰণতে প্ৰয়োজন নাই। কাৰণ these rings around here will hold this bone together. That thing we are not talking. I am talking about a clinical scenario where you can address it. This all.
এইটো গম পাইছো sir.
This is a clinical.
Corticotomy এইটো
এতিয়া হেতু কথাই কৈছে, it is a clinical scenario where one can address this problem. But this thing only is possible with the Elizarov. This thing all is possible with the Elizarov, and you cannot do with a conventional technique. ঠিক আছে sir? মই এটা clinical scenario কথাই কৈছো where one can do this thing, and all these things are possible only by Elizarov technique. That approximation here, acute docking, elongation here, all these things are possible with the Elizarov technique. So now we'll talk about this is a clinical scenario, and you can imagine that in a situation like this, none of this conventional operation technique can help you. Only thing that Elizarov principle can help you in this situation. Yes or no? This is a clinical situation. I am giving you a problem. In a situation of compound fracture, road traffic accident, a loss of segment is there, patient is coming to you. What option with you? Conventional operation is not going to help you here. Necessarily, this is Elizarov which is going to help. Again, the Elizarov, you can modify so many techniques here to achieve this target of union as well as achieving the length also. Both these things together can be. Sir,
আৰু এটা কথা সুধিব লগা আছিল sir ৰেটটো আমাৰ ফিক্স আছে 1 মিলিমিটাৰ পাৰ ডে sir ৰিদমটো sir আমি 4 টাইমছৰ জায়গাত sir যদি 3 টাইমছ বা 2 টাইমছ কৰো
পাৰে sir মানে হেতুৱে কৈছো you মানে that is what many times it is not possible to do 4 times a day because patient used to go for sleep, and also optional he may not be comfortable here. That is why it is practically sometimes not possible. It is true, but even then there is a science behind it that if you make it fraction, that is much better than one step go. Fraction is better than one go. That is the actual thing. Sometimes, but you cannot go more than 1 millimeter a day. You cannot go more than 1 millimeter a day. That is the thing actually. So you cannot go beyond 1 millimeter. You have to confine to 1 millimeter a day. Okay, sir? So that is the thing. And number 2, since your point is raising, I can add few more things here. And nowadays, it is computer based. Nowadays, there is lot of modifications to the conventional Elizarov. Conventional Elizarov is nowadays being then mounted, so to say, with with in a computerized programming platform. Computer-based programming platform. What do you understand by that? That is, computer will play the role of distraction. As your mechanisms are nowadays being installed, so that you need not have to do yourself, but the system will be a program through with a computer that it will help you automatically doing so. Apuni kosta buji paise ne? But principle remains same. Principle remains same, but you can do this, take the advantage of the computer programming so as to achieve the same thing precisely with the help of computer. Nowadays, low many as pastel. Now, next generation. Now, since this topic is coming up, so I want to add one or two more words here. Nowadays, this called pastel frame. Here, the conventional your villager of is not